Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will be showing you how you can trim your object. So how we can do that. Now first thing first, we can draw something. So let's say I will draw some rectangle right over here. Then I will place some 2-point lines just for fun, like so and so. Like that. Now I want to trim it. So I will go here to modify, click on it, and then I will choose trim. Now I will select the lines. So I will go with that one and with that one. Okay. Like that. Okay. Sorry. Again to trim this one and this one, and now this one is gone. Also, I can use trim to. So if I select, for example, this and this one, and we have triangle right over here. So this is how you can trim objects in LibreCAD. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video or subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.